Welcome! Today we're going to learn how to unbox your Brother machine. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. Carefully cut and remove the plastic bands. To remove the plastic plugs, squeeze the prongs together and angle upward. Remove the plugs on the opposite side of the carton. Remove the upper carton and packing materials. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.